Every foldable phone has the same problem, a visible crease. Samsung, Google, Motorola. 6 generations later, it's still there. That crease isn't bad design, it's physics. Plastic OLED substrates fatigue over time, stress concentration. Zero visible crease, if the leak is accurate.
Apple's reported solution combines 2 ideas: a metal dispersion plate beneath the display to spread folding stress across a wider area, and a liquid metal hinge using Apple's amorphous alloy tech for precise bend control and long-term durability. If it works, this isn't refinement, it's a breakthrough. The device is said to be just 9 millimeters thick when closed, 4.5 millimeters unfolded, with a 7.8-inch ports, Touch ID, and a $2,000+ price tag.